Good morning. Welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our trade. This 2014 23-foot Mastercraft X-30 is sitting on a Mastercraft galvanized trailer, aluminum wheels, has the trailer guides, boat has an arch, wakeboard racks that flip in, bimini top, swim platform, trim tabs, LED lights, you can see the metallic and the silver, freshwater flush. Let's go inside, take a look. The upholstery is all in very good condition. Boat has snap-in carpets, speakers and JL audio, wakeboard racks on either side, they fold in. There's a bimini top, it's a fold down arch. Has the bolster seat, which is heated. Boat has heat, speakers inside, touch screen, all your gauges, a remote for the Fusion stereo. The Fusion is in the glove compartment. Up forward, upholstery looks good. No speakers. Plenty of cup holders, more speakers. Boat does have the flip down seat. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. 6.2 liter Elmore. Your ballast bags. Motor, very low hours. This is our Mastercraft. Thank you.